Is your TP-Link Tapo Camera showing offline in the app? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you the fastest and most effective ways to bring your Tapo Camera back online.
Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon.
The most common reason your Tapo Camera goes offline is an unstable internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working and restart your router if needed. If your camera is too far from the router, it may lose connection. Move the camera closer or use a Wi-Fi extender or mesh system for better coverage. Make sure the camera has power. Check the USB cable, power adapter, and wall outlet. A loose cable can make the camera appear offline. Restart both your Tapo Camera and your Wi-Fi router. A simple reboot often fixes temporary network issues. Open the Tapo app and make sure you're using the latest version. If the camera reconnects, update its firmware to improve stability and performance. If you've recently changed your Wi-Fi name or password, you'll need to reconnect the camera. Also, make sure you're using a supported 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network during setup. If the camera is still offline, perform a factory reset. Press and hold the reset button until the LED starts flashing, then set up the camera again in the Tapo app. After completing these steps, your Tapo Camera should reconnect and appear online. If the problem continues, contact TP-Link support because it could be a hardware issue. I hope this guide helped you fix your Tapo Camera. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more security camera tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.